Hi! In this video, I will show you how to use Fathom AI Notetaker. Fathom AI Notetaker increases the productivity when it comes to recording of your meeting conversations. To use Fathom, we will install it first in our computer by going to fathom.video and click on Get Started Free Forever button. In here, you can use your Google or Microsoft account to sign up. In my case, I will use my Google account here. Click on Continue. Fathom AI would like to have your permission to access your calendar app. And click on Continue here. And then, on the following pages, you will set up your account according to your preferences and use. Once you are done, click on Continue. Before we can use Fathom AI, we need to download the application and set it up with our computer. Click Download for Windows here and install this on your computer. In my case, I already downloaded and installed it. This is the Fathom AI Notetaker icon. Let's try to open it. And this is how basic it looks like. We can set it up by enabling and disabling the quick settings here. We can also expand this web page by clicking the View Recordings or General Settings. And this is what it looks like. I have one meeting listed here. And this is a Fathom AI demo video. To link Fathom AI to your online meeting platforms, go to Settings. In here is where you will set up to link your Zoom app, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams accounts. In my case, I was able to link already my Zoom app. How? I open my Zoom app here. I have one scheduled meeting. Copy the invite link and somewhere here in Fathom AI window, there is a text box that says paste link here or something like that. Once you pasted the link, it will automatically be linked with your current meeting. Now, let's set up our Fathom Zoom settings. Under the Recording tab, enable Record to Computer Files. And after this, look for Automatic Recording. Enable this one and tick the Record to Computer. By doing this, every time you have a meeting, Fathom will automatically open and starts to record your meetings. Now, let's try to use Fathom via Zoom app. I will open my Zoom here and start a meeting. And Fathom will appear here. Fathom also has its own window, but you can also hide it if you want. Waiting here for my Zoom participant. Let's say we started our meeting here. Here is our dry run meeting conversation. Sorry for the bad audio.
Recording in progress.
Hi Taylor, thanks for joining the meeting. How's everything going with the project?
Hi, Alex. Everything's going well. Thanks. I'm making good progress on the development phase. I should have the first prototype ready by the end of the week. Let's say our meeting ended. Here you can copy the link to share your meeting recordings. And also in just one click, you can already view the recording and summary. There is also a quick look on how many percentage your talk time during your meeting. Click on View Recording and Summary. In here, you can see the notes of your meeting like the purpose, key takeaways, and topics. You can get a copy of all the notes by clicking here. You can also have a copy and open it in other apps listed here. And share this through copying the link here. Or directly email it to your colleagues. I hope you know now how to use Fathom AI. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!